I'm here at the Nichiha booth. I'm bringing you one of my favorite products of the whole show, the Moriah high gloss fiber cement interior or exterior siding product. And I'm with Anthony, one of the representatives from the company, and we're going to take you through the whole thing. We all love fiber cement products. They're awesome. They're fire resistant. They're durable. They last forever. They're easy to put up. They're fantastic. Except we know what they look like. They're terrible. You got to paint them. Look at this. This is incredible. I mean, it's glossy. It's finished. It looks like $1 million. How on earth do you create a fiber cement product that looks like this?
Thank you. We're very proud of this product.
I am too, and I don't even work for your company.
It's a proprietary process which actually allows us to make a smooth panel. That's really where it starts. Very difficult to do when you work with fiber cement. We're actually molded and pressed and not rolled and layered.
Almost like Japanese and Chinese pottery in a way, because they have a similar process to create finished pottery glazes.
Very good way to tie that together. I can appreciate that. No, I mean, it's really the process. It's really the proprietary process of creating the panel itself. That's where it starts. But
it's incredible. This is not a finish. This is the product. I mean, it's all the way through.
Finish on top of the fiber cement board that we've created.
And this is capable of being used inside as well as exterior applications, correct?
Yeah, we're seeing a lot more of our product being used inside, especially the Moriah series panel. You can see a video running over there.
I know a lot of man caves, high-end car garages, car condos as they're concerned. You know, they want this showroom feel.
Yeah.
This would be an incredible product to create that showroom feel.
It does. I mean, the word Moriah is actually a Japanese word for mirror, and that's what you get with this product.
Well, that makes sense.
It is a very highly reflective product.
Now, on top of that, you know, I see the panels. I love them. I also see that they have this little kind of groove where one panel sits into the other, and there's actually an embedded seal. So is this a waterproof sheeting?
Correct. So we're a closed rainscreen system.
Okay.
So really, I mean, that doesn't matter on the inside, but the exterior, it truly does.
Oh, absolutely.
They are gasketed. This particular panel is one of our 6-foot panel series, 1818. It's gasketed top and bottom, so you can butt these panels up to each other, and they form that seal. It is held a ½ inch off the wall by the complete rain screen. We do sell this as a system, and that allows for ventilation and drainage should any moisture.
Now that's an important point to make, because a lot of stuff that you buy, you're buying just the panel, and then you've got to figure out how am I going to get it up there. You're selling an entire system here.
Correct.
The backing, the brackets, the whole bit.
Absolutely. Yeah,
all right.
When this is delivered to the job site, we like to say we're going to give you everything you need, minus the saw blades to cut and the screws to attach.
Now this also comes in a whole bunch of different colors, not just onyx, but there's snow, there's blue. There's a million different colors out there. It seems like
blue is brand new this year. It's actually coming soon. We're not even available yet. You can certainly look around the booth here. We'd encourage you.
I hope I didn't give something away.
No, that's why it's here. That's why it's here. But 3 current colors of this particular panel. Of course, there's other panels and other designs in many different colors, textures, sizes, and really it's back to that texture again. Not just with smooth in this case, but some of those deeper textures because of that process, that proprietary process we have. We mimic what we're trying to look like better than anybody.
I got one last question for you, and that is, you talked about the dimensionality of that. Does it come in different shapes and sizes? So can I get creative that way as well?
So, great question. We have 6 and 10-foot panels. That is the width. They're all 18 inches high. The 10-foot panels can be turned 90 degrees and be used in
vertically mounted.
Correct.
I think I saw at one point there was a vertical mount that you did in the show home where you had actually taken LED lighting and put it between the vertical panels?
Right, horizontal install, but then they used a vertical light strips.
Little light channel.
Yep. Correct.
Same thing you would do.
We actually have a sample of that here too on our tower.
Very good.
With the LED light splitting difference. But to go to your point, design, unlimited designs. You can mix this with one of our other panels. We have a wall on the other side over here. You're welcome to see it's actually our illumination and our rib together. Looks amazing. So each architect can kind of put their own designer, can put their own thumbprint on, if you will. And we'd like to think we do a good job of helping them protect that design intent as well.
Well, Anthony, thank you. We're here at the Nichiha booth showing you one of the most beautiful products that can add a touch of elegance to any project that you have in your portfolio.
Come by and see us.